Today in our maths tutorial, we will do the topic multiplying two-digit numbers. So what are two-digit numbers? Like if you are having ones and tens. These are the two-digit numbers, that is having ones and ten. So today we will do the multiplication of two-digit numbers. So let's start the multiplication with the help of example. So in my first example I am having 67 and 34, right? So first of all, our first step is to arrange it in columns. So we always start with writing ones, then tens. First of all, arrange this number 67 and then 34. So this is our first step. First step is to arrange the numbers in columns, right? Now, second step. According to the second step, we will start with the digit at ones place. So, we start with 4 ones, right? 4 times 7 is 28. 8 will write here and 2 will go up, right? 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Now, 4. Now we have done these two terms. Now we will go for 3 tens. As we are starting from the tens, so here at ones place we can put either 0 or cross. Okay, here you can put 0 or you can put cross. Now 3 will start from ones place. 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 we will write here and 2 will go up. 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So this is our second step. Start from the ones place and then tens. Now third step. According to the third step, we will add the terms. These two terms we have to add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 0 is 2 and here 2. So this will be the answer. So the answer is 2278. Now let's do a second example. Now in our second example, suppose if we are having 165 and 54. First step, to arrange the numbers in column. Now as this number is ones, tens and 100. So here we start ones, tens and 100. Okay, now arrange the number 165. Second number is 54. Put a cross. Now let's start. Second step, start with the digit at ones place. The second one. 4 ones, right? 4 times 5 is 20. 0 will be placed here, 2 will go up. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 6 here, 2 will go up. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we will start with the 5 tens. Now either you can place 0 here or you can put a cross. Okay. So you can put 0 or a bit small cross. Here you can place. Now we start with 5 tens. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 you will write here. 2 will go up. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 2. 32. 2 here. 3 goes up. Now 5 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now third step is to add the numbers, right? 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 will write here and 1 go up. Now 6 plus 2 plus 1. As 1 is also, you add this also. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. and this 8. Right? So answer of this is 8,910. 8,910. So this we had done the multiplication of 2-digit numbers. So we are following the following steps. Step 1 is to arrange numbers in columns. Second step is to start from the ones place digit and then to the tens place digit. Third step is to add the numbers, and after adding, the result we get is the answer of the question. Right? Thank you so much.